First, let's do the exercise. Now let's do the etude. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate your time and your support. I also wish to invite you to my YouTube membership site and my Patreon site. Either one will work. The content is very similar. Patreon has just a little bit more, features, but I'll be happy to see you on either one of those. I'm going to do a walkthrough of this etude as well as many others throughout this book and a lot more content that you won't see on the other social media sites. I hope to see you there soon, and thank you for your support.